Experiencing frequent disconnections, slow speeds, or timeout errors with your Boost Mobile hotspot can be frustrating. As of 2025, Boost Mobile, now integrated with Dish Network's expanding 5G network, has introduced improvements like Boost Connect, aiming to reduce disconnections using AI-driven optimizations. This section focuses on immediately addressing these issues. First, use the updated Boost Mobile app released in August 2025 and navigate to the Hotspot Optimizer tool. This tool scans for interference and automatically adjusts your hotspot settings. Ensure your device firmware is up to date, as updates often include fixes for hotspot connectivity. A common cause is exceeding your high-speed data cap, after which speeds are significantly reduced. Check your data usage via the Boost app to avoid this. If problems persist, restart your hotspot device to reset connections. Additionally, position your device in an area with stronger signal strength. Ideally, aim for -70 dBm or better. By immediately troubleshooting with these steps, many common hotspot issues can be swiftly resolved. When basic troubleshooting fails to fully resolve Boost Mobile hotspot issues, advanced steps can help maintain consistent performance. Let's explore these deeper solutions in detail. Data deprioritization is a key issue with Boost's unlimited plans. After exceeding high-speed data caps of 15 to 50 gigabytes, speeds drop dramatically to manage network load. Consider upgrading to plans with higher allowances, such as Boost's $70 monthly plan, offering truly unlimited high-speed data. This prevents the slowdown that occurs after cap exhaustion. Network congestion during peak usage hours significantly degrades hotspot performance, causing slower speeds and frequent disconnections. Signals weaken as more users compete for bandwidth. To mitigate this, schedule data-intensive activities like streaming or large downloads for off-peak times, typically early morning hours before 9 a.m. or late night after 10 p.m. when network load is lighter. Wi-Fi interference from neighboring networks or VPN usage can severely impact hotspot performance. Multiple overlapping signals compete for the same frequency bands, causing slowdowns and connection drops. To address this, configure your hotspot to use WPA3 encryption, which provides stronger security and operates on less crowded channels compared to older WPA2 standards. This creates a more stable and secure connection environment. Timeout errors frequently occur due to accumulated cache and temporary data on connected devices. This buildup can cause applications to fail maintaining stable connections. To prevent these issues, regularly clear the cache and stored data on devices connecting to your hotspot. This resolves app-specific connectivity problems and restores proper timeout handling for network requests. Rural areas often experience weaker 5G coverage due to limited cell tower infrastructure, resulting in significantly slower hotspot speeds. To address this challenge, consider using signal booster kits specifically designed for cellular signals. These devices amplify incoming signals and can improve speeds from as low as 5 Mbps to 50 Mbps or higher, providing much more reliable hotspot performance. By implementing these proactive management strategies, you can significantly improve Boost Mobile hotspot reliability and speed. This includes regularly monitoring data usage through the Boost app, optimizing device settings, addressing potential interference sources, strategically scheduling data-intensive activities, and keeping firmware updated. These comprehensive measures work together to ensure consistent hotspot performance.